Ingredients: 1 whole turkey, 1 onion, 2 carrots, chopped, 2 stalks of celery, chopped, 1 lemon, rosemary, thyme and sage, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, salt, black pepper, butter, Instructions: preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the giblets from the cavity. Tuck the legs and the wings underneath the turkey. In a bowl, mix together the garlic, salt, black pepper and butter. Place the onion, carrots, celery, lemon, and herbs inside the turkey cavity. Rub the outside of the turkey with the seasoning mixture evenly. Roast the turkey for about 15 minutes per pound, until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it rest for at least 20 minutes before carving and serving. Enjoy!